Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this interesting maths question. And here it reads that in the above diagram, or in the diagram above, AB is equals to 8 centimeter, okay, which is this. And again, angle ABC equals 90 degree, which is this. So this is angle A, B, and D. Okay, so if the area of the shaded portion is 40 centimeter square, so we actually been told that this angle here, the area of this shaded portion is 40 centimeter square. Find the area of the triangle ABD. Okay, so we needed to find the area of this unshaded part. Okay, so let's get started. So all we just need to do here is to identify, okay, the total area. Now take note first that we are given the area of the shaded portion. So let us write here that area of triangle DC, yeah, then equals 40 centimeter squared. Okay, so and we are actually looking for the area of triangle ABD. Okay, so now also let us take note that the area of a triangle, of any triangle, is given as 1/2 base times height. Okay, now since this part is given, okay, now what we just need to do here is to find the area of the total triangle, area of the total triangle, now which is ABC, then minus the area of ABD, which will definitely give us the area of the shaded portion ADC. Okay, so this is the logic here, and the essence why we're doing this is for us to find the value of x. Okay, so let's do that. So the area of so let's say ABC, area of ABC, then minus area ABD, now equals to the area ADC. Now let us recall that the area of a triangle is given by this formula. So here we have that 1/2 base times height for that of ABC, then minus 1/2 base times height for triangle ABD, now which is equals to the area of ADC, which is given as 40 from the question. Okay, so here we 1/2. What is the base of triangle ABC? Okay, the base will not be the sum of x and x plus 2. So that will give us x plus 2. Now the height, that will be times the height, which is 8. So here you have 8, then minus 1/2. Now the base of ABD, so that should give us x, then times 8, okay, which is the height. All right, so all equals to 40. Okay, so all we just need to do here, we then have 1/2, then summing what is in the bracket, you have 2x, then plus 2, then times 8, then minus 8x all over 2 equals 40. Okay, proceeding further, 2 here 1, 2 here is 4, then 2 here 1, 2 here is 4. Okay, so we end up having 4 into 2x plus 2, okay, minus 4x equals 40. Now looking at the left hand and the right hand side, you see a common factor, which is what? 4. If we factor that out, we have a 4 then into 2x plus 2, okay, minus x then equals 40. Now when we divide both sides by 4, then we end up having that the right hand side will become 2x plus 2 minus x, then which gives us 10 on the right hand side. That is when we divide 4 by both sides. Okay, so when if we simplify the left hand side, we end up having x plus 2 then equals 10. Now if we subtract 2 from both sides, we end up having that x equals 8. So this is the value of x. So therefore, now that we've gotten the value of x, so let us now find the area of triangle ABD. Take note, our formula is 1 over 2 base times height. Okay, and here we now have 1 over 2. Our base is simply x, okay, and the value of x is 8, then times height is also what? 8. So all we just need to do is to simplify. 2 here, 1, 2 here is 4. So we end up having that the area of triangle ABD is now 4 times 2, which is equals to 32 centimeter square as the final answer. All right, thank you. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. God bless you. Bye bye.